Welcome to Plutus IS. Today I'm going to discuss a very important topic from the environment and geography point of view, and it's has recently been featured in one of the most important newspaper which are important for the preparation of UPSC. So the article says that whether the deserts should be considered as the wasteland or they are not at all contributing anything into the ecosystem. So what are ecosystems? Ecosystem is the interaction between biotic and abiotic factors. When that interaction occurs, then the ecosystem gets sustained. And it is essential that all the factors which are there should be in a right amount, right balance. So any of the factor which will be in excess or in deficient, there will be an ecological imbalance which will be occurring. There are different ecosystems which are there, for example, terrestrial, forest, and desert ecosystems. But then deserts are considered as the barren and uncultivable. But if they are considered as barren or uncultivable, so we should not consider desert as one of the relief features which is contributing in the ecosystem, or they are good for nothing. But that is not the case, because deserts are themselves holding a very important position in the ecosystem, because even if they sustain a very small ecosystem, very small species, but then they do sustain it. For example, camels, scorpio, lizards, there are many species which are being sustained there. Plant species such as cactus, which do not require a lot of water, are sustaining in deserts. There has been a lot of conventions which are present for the eradication of the desertification of different land across the globe. One of the most important is UNCCD, which is legally binding and which has occurred in 1991 in Earth Summit. So they talked about the complete removal of the desertification, if not the complete removal, at least the minimization of the desertification, restoring the lands which are uncultivable and barren in nature. So we have different conventions as well, and we have different legislation of various countries also. Their domestic legislation has been also there for the restoration of the deserts. But the desert as an ecosystem holds a very important feature. They hold a very important position. First, they help in the regulation of the climate. Second, they hold the ecological balance. As I told, that a lot of species are sustaining in this ecosystem, so these species can survive and thrive in only these areas. Next is the resource extraction. These deserts are also important for a lot of resources which are found in this area. For example, Rajasthan is very rich in lot of resources. So you find resources like lead, tin in Rajasthan. Apart from that, there is a cultural significance in these areas as well. So you cannot say that deserts as an ecosystem are not contributing anything in the ecological balance. Although yes, comparatively the cultivation of the desert area is less, and if we try to cultivate through the irrigation semi-arid and arid areas, we can grow some of the crops, but the amount of effort required in that and investment required is much larger than the areas which are naturally cultivable. But saying that deserts are a wasteland is not a point, because they have been and they are contributing a lot in the ecological balance of the ecosystem. Thank you so much.